Hey guys, feel like me, wait, what is my name? What the never mind. I want to say, okay, my name is Jeff. No, it ain't Jeff. Okay, let's just get in the video. I don't care what my name is. Okay, I got pretty. Okay, my fidget spinning again. I don't know what I'm gonna be doing today, but the only thing I can think of is fidget. I'm very, very bored just playing with my fidget spinner. And if you guys want me to get a golden one, they spin fast. I mean, like, it spin fast than this. Ah, dang it, I messed up. Oh, Uzis. Uzi. Uzi. Spin fast than that. Easily. Okay, guys. Just kidding. I promise. I cut.
This is amazing. I got my first kiss today. And it's just so mind-blowing that I can't just feel it. Oh. It's mixed up on my head and heart, which kicks me, kisses me. It goes to my brain, it goes to my heart.
Yeah, you guys are here. I forgot.
Goes to my brain.
Sorry, but
Just goes
yes.
kablooey.
Michael Jordan. Right now, I'm gonna be watching Vines and play with my fidget spinner. So, good night, guys. I'm joking. What the? Oh no, let's go. That's a good spin. No, mate. But anyway, if this can go up to 10,000 likes, yes, 10,000. Think I'm playing? No. I'll try to be doing some type of giveaway. I almost closed my fidget spinner. I'll be doing some type of giveaway. So, yes, I'll be doing a giveaway. So, if you guys want to see me in every video, just make sure to comment, subscribe, and like say something nice or something like what the heck? Oh Jesus. Okay, never mind. There's a humongous snake. Okay. Anyway, blah, 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 blah. Ah. Okay. Anyway, I don't know. These vines are kind of funny, but anyway, I'm gonna be watching Vines and that is so cool. What the fuck? And there was a guy on one of these vines, and one guy was singing, and one went like, the old dude went like, it's so funny. But anyway, I like this fidget spinner. So, like, clean. If you were right here, just take a chance to spin it. It's like, I'm barely touching it. It's that easy. It's so like smooth.
Shoes. I'm not helping you with that, Elizabeth. Oh my gosh, Elizabeth, just get in the car. Why?
Weird ass person I ever bought.
Give me the chips. You're not gonna put it up there, Elizabeth. Do not put the chips up there, Elizabeth. They're gonna see it. Elizabeth, stop. You're walking like a penguin. Elizabeth. This is so awkward. Oh my god. Give me it, Elizabeth.
I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just trying to be weird, but
Elizabeth, stop. Elizabeth, that's the beer pong cup. I'm so sorry. Elizabeth, give me that. You literally just drank a sport. Elizabeth. Elizabeth. Elizabeth, get down. This is
okay,
Coyote Ugly. Let's go.
touch money.
Elizabeth.
I don't know.
Elizabeth, what are you doing? You're in the guy's bathroom.
I do not know what to do.
Elizabeth, what
So,
are you doing? They have a Mario
peace.
Kart.
Oh God.
What's going on here? Are you winning? Elizabeth, don't do it. Elizabeth,
What?
don't do it. Elizabeth! Oh my god, Elizabeth!
Well, I didn't catch this on video, but I spinned it, and I let it, I let it go, and it went, like, shoom, then it landed like that.
Elizabeth, you're not on the yellow brick road. Like, what are you gonna do? Walk all the way to McDonald's? You need to
Let's go to walk at McDonald's.
come on.
No, we're not.
Elizabeth!
Let's walk to, let's see,
Are you kidding me? It's a hard knock life for you.
hey, let's walk to, ooh, I know where, Zaxby's, no, Shake and Steak, no, Steak and Shake, wait, no, they're the same thing, Pizza Center, wait, what? Yeah, McAdoo's, I don't care, I don't care where we go, I just want to get some goddamn food. Darn food, you hear me, boy? Nope. I fucked your wife last night. What the fuck? Punch you across the face. Oh, before we end. Oh shit. Not touching it. Not even touching it. Balance. Wait, I want to try something. On my feet. Fuck it. Ow. Ow. A stupid thing went on in the dish. And like that. And catch it. See if it does it again. Oh, look at that. I didn't let it go. Look at that. Look at that. Okay. Please, bro. Make sure to do that. I might be giving a giveaway, so make sure to subscribe and comment down below something nice. And I'll see you in the next video, which might be tomorrow. I don't know. But see ya. Peace.